avocado finally got some fruit
แล้วก็เริ่มจากนำฝึกบัตรนำออก
mean there's still flower or fruit
เมื่อหน้าร้อนนะฟรุตโรเมอร์แล้วฟอร์เมอร์
it look flower though
you farmer you look for fruit that's a อันนั้น flower เนี่ย fruit เลยนะเนี่ยนี่ fruit เนี่ย that's a fruit
very nice
this one ฟรุต
เอ้ย
ปีใบนี่เอง
bắt chọp đấy cả
chớp môi này chớp cái nàyนี่chớp cái
đúng
này
rồi vậy
chớp hai viêm chân từ lệ ngập o cái mỏ đến rồi quay nó
mở chữ ở linh cả trái tịnh cả trái tịnh chọp
ที่บ้านร้านเนี่ยอเมริกาบางวัน2 3โฟบางโฟมาเจือบร้านเดียวกันมันจะจอมอันนี้เราเนี่ยเจือบมวย
lại
จะมวยทรูอ่อนเลยมวยนี่
đập
นี่จริงร้านไปก็ย่ำอ๋อเจือบมวยกันตาเลยนะจะเป็นต้อง
ở đây bên đâu chọp lại tân bị chụp mặt tiền
นั่นฟรีจันตาได้เราไปกรอมอยู่ตรงนี้นี่แหละแบบใบนี้เจียบเนี่ยอาจจะเคยขมาที่เจียบเลยมาเจียบเลยหยาบตา clean cut เนี่ยจ้ะ clean cut เนี่ยมาเจียบจ้ะ
chụp mặt chụp chọp cái này that's why cái chăm không mong ấy không mong về bom lùm on ca giật đạn cả mùi tập mà bị chọp nhìn play nhầm
avocado how to clear avocado
tuần anh nên still chay
บ้านเมืองไว้ดอกปีปูนปรำ
oh avocado
ให้
almost time to eat
สามสัปดาห์บางปลาย
chụp ở linh
สามสัปดาห์
play mùi kỷ lụ mà mùi mà la đấy nè
เลื่อนไม่ด้วย
okay today avocado is getting this big most of them fall off and left only one or two here and there it's not ready yet no chay tuần ban nhâm trên no chay này hello families and friends my avocado is ready này không đó hay lại chụp on nó saoแต่ติดเป็นเองsao hai mà pay play มือนี่ทมดอลให้อย่างนี้ทมดอลให้กรมดาวกรมคอมเมนต์
นาจ้านาเขมง Why? I'm trying next year. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3
6, 7, 8. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
You say the 20 alone
23, 24,
22.
25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 30, 30 years.
Ôi thùng nó lấy nè cái mùi nát thùng nó ơi huge អានេះគេខ្មែរហៅថាបើយើងមិនបេះវាឲ្យទុកទុំវាទេវាអត់ទុំទេចឹងហើយបានយើងត្រូវបេះវាឲ្យទុំវាប្រហែល3ថ្ងៃបានវាទុនទៅបានញ៉ាំឆ្ងាញ់ប៉ុន្តែវាអត់សូវមានអត់ផ្អែមទេគាត់នៅវាតន់ទីតិចទេតើយើងដាក់ទឹកដោះគោឬក៏ស្ករហើយញ៉ាំជាមួយវាទៅផ្អែមឆ្ងាញ់ This is our first avocado from our backyard. Let's test and see how it is. But there's the thing, you have to pick from the tree and let it sit in the counter for 2 days for it to get soft. If it sit in on the tree, it's not going to ripe. So how soft is that? It's good. But you need condensed milk to go with that.
Got no cream. I mean, I don't taste no cream at all.
There's no cream. You have to put condensed milk. How is it? Let me taste one.
Chanh Mexican avocado đi. Ngon lên thiệt.
It's good.
Bớt tầm màu rồi nhé.
It's ready to eat. But it need to add sugar or condensed milk. Look at this, the seed, how big that is.
Maybe thom về. I mean,
Huge.
it's not that creamy.
Mình bóc cùng màu chứ. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy my video. Thank you. Bye bye.